Quick. Birdie. He's looking right at me. Hi. Oh.
Where'd he go? Oh, there he is.
Jose. You gotta say with me.
Jose.
No. Ready?
Jose. The blue one. See, missed it again.
That was green.
It was blue in my
It
eyes.
was good. Jose, can you see?
By the dawn's early light, what so brightly we... Oh God, that's recording.
Please.
Wasn't that
Can
blue?
you see? I don't know the lyrics though. I forgot them.
By the dawn's early light,
By the dawn's early light.
what so proudly we
What
hailed.
so proudly we have
Hailed
held
at the twilight's last gleaming,
at twilight
whose broad stripes and bright stars
whose brought stripes and bright stars
through the perilous night, o'er the ramparts we watched, and I don't know.
Are you okay?
No, my knee. O'er the ramparts we watched, and the twilight, something. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave. I could have gone longer.
I know.
What?
Oh, I saw it going up. I like the ones where you can see it go like
Shoot up.
Go, you don't keep going.
That's what I thought you were singing.
I was still considering the Star Spangled Banner.
Bander? Oh my God. First, we're going to teach you the words, the English words. Then, we'll try for the melody.
The melody.